Pew 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 pew.
Pew pew.
Do like a strafing move.
Mew. Pew 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 pew.
Do you know how long McGonagall survived?
Pew.
Diggory.
Pew. Pew.
Day 19.
Hello everyone.
Hi. Do you know how long that took to line all them up?
I'm really sorry.
No, you're
James.
not.
No, I'm not.
No, it's your turn to start.
Day 19 is somewhere. Where's day 19? Ah, here we go. Day 19. It's another ship. It's another ship.
It's ship.
Give me a mo.
Okay. Do you know what ship it is?
No, I don't know what it is.
Have a look.
I can't
What
work it
the
out.
bloody hell is that?
What? I just said that. I don't know. Go build it.
Okay, you carry on.
You build. You
I
build
will
it.
get my Funko Pop for the day. Day 19. Oh, I'm on the bottom row. Woohoo! I've got Neville Longbottom with his shiny shoes.
Has he actually got shiny shoes?
They are actually quite shiny. Woohoo! Yeah. Neville Longbottom. Focus. Focus. Thank you. Is it a droid?
I think it's meant to be like a. I don't.
I don't know.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
No, it is a bird. It is a bird. I
It's
just
a bird.
have not a clue.
Isn't it? Oh, is it supposed to be a tauntaun? It's got fangs.
It is a tong tong. Well done, James.
Thank you.
I think it's quite sweet.
I don't want to go out there. It's cold outside.
It's cold outside.
Right. Who wins that?
You probably win just because it's Neville.
Because it's Neville.
It's Neville. Also, they've put 2 Hoth-related Legos.
Back to back.
So,
You had
Episode 1.
episode 1.
Episode 1.
Episode 1.
Episode 1.
You've had 4 episode 1s
I think
in a row.
Lego Star Wars is nicking its order ideas from Funko
Yeah.
Pop.
You get Gryffindor into trouble again. There you go. Day 19.
Thank you very much.
It's your outback is burning.
My outback is burning. Which
You
I
want to go
can
and see a doctor about that?
assure all the viewers it has numerous times
Oh.
since we have started recording.
Is your outback burning yet?
All good.
It's the Twitch.
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
We're on day 20 tomorrow.
We are.
Means
We're
there's
nearly
on-
there, everyone.
It means there's only, from now, 5 to go.
5 to go.
5 to go. I'm not cleaning that up.
See you tomorrow.
Take a day.